When your Black& Decker portable air conditioner is leaking water, the problem usually lies with the drain pan or its seals. Let's systematically diagnose the most common causes. First, ensure your unit is sitting on a completely level surface. An unlevel unit can cause water to pool incorrectly and leak from unexpected areas. Next, check the drain plug if you're not using continuous drainage. This plug must be tightly sealed to prevent leaks. A loose or damaged drain plug is a common cause of water leakage. For internal inspection, unplug the unit first for safety. Remove the access panel to examine the drain pan for cracks, holes, or accumulated debris that could cause overflow. Check the seals between the drain pan and the unit body. Over time, these rubber seals can degrade, crack, or become displaced, allowing water to escape. A full or overflowing drain pan is another common cause. If your unit doesn't have continuous drainage, the internal collection tank must be emptied regularly to prevent overflow. Finally, if you're using continuous drainage, inspect the drain hose for clogs, kinks, or improper positioning. The hose should have a downward slope and be free of obstructions. By systematically checking these key areas, level surface, drain plug, drain pan condition, seals, water level, and drain hose, you can identify the source of most portable AC leaks and determine the appropriate repair approach. Now that you've identified the leak source, here are the repair solutions and prevention methods to fix your portable air conditioner. For minor cracks in the drain pan, use a waterproof sealant or epoxy specifically designed for plastics. The area must be completely clean and dry before application. If the seal around the drain pan is damaged, replace it with a new one. These seals can be found online or at appliance repair stores. Make sure to get the exact model match. Prevention is key to avoiding future leaks. Regular cleaning of the drain pan prevents grime buildup that leads to corrosion and blockages. For continuous drainage systems, ensure the hose has a proper downward slope and remains free of obstructions. This prevents water backup and overflow. If damage is extensive, you're uncomfortable with repairs, or the unit is still under warranty, consult a qualified HVC technician. Professional repair ensures safety and maintains warranty coverage. Important reminder: attempting repairs while your unit is under warranty may void the warranty coverage. Always check your warranty status before beginning any repair work. With proper repair techniques and regular maintenance, you can keep your portable air conditioner running efficiently and prevent future water leaks.